Was a great game. It's not fair that the game finishes 0-0 because both teams create a lot of chances, try to win all the time. Arema try to win, Persist try to win all the time. So it was a great game, I repeat. And unfortunately, in the final we lose one great chance. But I believe that in the final the score draw was fair for both teams.
Sama kayak pelatih bilang ya kan, hasil draw ini ya cukup bagus lah buat kita. Hitungannya kan kita away di sini, terus Persib juga tim keluar, bukan pemain-pemain sembarang lah yang bisa masuk Persib. Dan ya alhamdulillah hasilnya maksimal.
About foreign players, yes, we have 8 now, yeah, to use only 6, and sometimes it's difficult we need to analyze the games, the matches, to see how the option we have because we need to keep 2 outside. So it's difficult, but I think that it's important to the league also that now we can use 6, but we can bring 8. And I think that in the future, maybe, yeah, if the league think better, we can bring more players also here to increase the quality of the league. And the second question, sorry.
Your player in national team, the players.
About our team? Yeah, you have conditions to our players, 3 or 4 players have conditions to play in the national team. I am very satisfied with the young players also that are training and are playing with us. So I think that sure, we have conditions to put 3 or 4 players in the national team.
Pertama sih bangga sih soalnya dekat dulu kan ya orang Bandung siapa sih yang nggak mau main di Bandung gitu kan, cuman kan di luar, cuman ya aku merasa bangga lah bisa tampil di depan ribuan bobotoh, walaupun menjadi lawan tetap bangga dan pastinya penuh motivasi positif gitu.
Ada target nggak buat ikut Persib?
I need to answer?
Yeah, of course.
No, because we see it looks like another team, our team, when you have a good pitch to play, good field. And we see the first half, for me we played one amazing first half. The second, of course, Persib is a great team. But yeah, we will try to implement now the construction of the new field. And maybe in the future, when you come back to Blitar, the field is better, will be better. And we can play the same that we play today.
Thank you.
Tell me again, the question, tell me again.
Your points when the international break already.
Okay. Of course, when this date come, yeah, when this situation will happen, we will enjoy to training. Give some days to free, of course, before, and after that we try to recover some players that they are injured now, and after that, of course, have all the complete group to the next round of the league.
Tough match. If you don't win, then of course that nobody's happy. But I think that we play much better than versus Deva. I think that we dominate the game, control the game. Only thing was what was missing is goal. Of course that we miss David because he's our top scorer, but would have been a score today. Except this, we have 3-4 really good chances. We didn't score. They have, I think, 2 chances all match, and they they score one. It's individual mistake, but then at the end, I think that it's much better than last week, so we just need to focus on next game. Important is that you don't lose, and we need to try now after break, fix the things that were not good, and just focus on next game.
Oke, pertandingan yang tentunya tidak mudah. Kita lebih baik ketika minggu lalu melawan Dewa United. Kita dominan, kita punya peluang, dan saya pikir kita juga bisa kontrol permainan. Mereka hanya punya peluang dua, salah satunya bisa berhasil menjadi gol. Dan tentu saja kita tidak mau menangkan pertandingan, tetapi kita juga tidak kalah. Hikmah dari semua ini, dari pertandingan ini adalah kita tidak bisa mencetak gol, tidak bisa menciptakan peluang menjadi gol, itu saja. Dan tentunya ini menjadi evaluasi buat kita untuk tetap fokus, memperbaiki, dan siap lagi untuk pertandingan berikutnya.
I think what we already said before the game, that Arima has a good team. They win Biala president. They come to Bandung to win. But I think we sold them quite good. They get one chance. I think it's one responsibility with the corner. I have to take my man one-on-one. And I lose the duel, it's a 1-0. But at the end with the team we fight till the last second. If Lima scored the goal 5 minutes before the end, then we win this game. So this is football. It can go really fast. So at the end I think we can be proud of ourselves how we played today after a difficult week last game. What I already said, Arema is a really good team, and if we have a little bit luck, we win this game today and everybody happy. So this is football. Next game we go again all together, and this is new team. We have to try new things. We have to try new tactics. It takes time, and sometimes if you're lucky, you win today and nobody speak. But today we draw. Maybe people will say it's not good, but at the end I'm really proud of the team, that we try to play football, that we create a lot of chances, that they don't have a lot of chances. So at the end I think it was a good game for us. Unlucky we don't win, but we will continue next week and for sure we will come back.
Of course, David is league top scorer. David scored last year 30 goals, so of course that you can feel it. But Dimas in his position play quite well. He scored goal. Only thing is that we need to get used because Dimas and David are different kind of players.
Ya, tentu saja ini sangat berpengaruh. Bagaimanapun juga David adalah seorang striker yang.
Today we create 2-3 chances from corner kick. Am I right? So this is my job. My job is to create space, to create action, what we can do. So we create chances, but we didn't score goal.
And in FIFA Match League, you will train again in corner.
I can train corner every day, but doesn't mean when we come for the game that we will score. This one depends on the player who is shooting. Depends on the goalkeeper who was really good today also. Sorry, but you're putting him in trouble. The foreigner referee, he cannot give any comment about the referees. I need to interrupt. I wish I can say something. I have lots of things to say, but sorry, I cannot.
Sorry, can also.
No, it's. I think it's not our job to talk about the referee. It's the referee's job, and it's from the federation, so they can decide if it was a good or a bad game. And that's all I can say.
Beckham is back now, we will have more players, and as I said, we'll see if David will be ready for next game or not. But if he doesn't play, we need to play slightly different games, so now we have time to prepare for that. Look, maybe we spoiled them a little bit because we won the league last year, so they're used that we're only winning at home. But there is always games. Again today, if my players didn't give their best, then they can complain. But I believe that everybody gave their best today. We were better with dominance, so I don't see. Support was great, so I don't see. Whenever you don't win, of course, the supporters are unhappy. It's normal. But I don't think that they can be unhappy like me. I'm not happy with the result, but I'm not happy the way we play. I think that was compared to Deva game. Deva game we drew and I was unhappy. But today I think that players give their best. We didn't score goal. This is why we never win the game. But I think I can be happy the way we play. In every club in the world you have top scorer and second top scorer. If you stop them chances, you will win the game is high. It's always. But last year everybody tried to stop them for the whole season, but they couldn't stop them because the other players were taking responsibility, scoring goals, things like that, and create chances. So it's not easy. There is always in every team is like that. But at the end, of course, definitely when you are without top scorer, any field in the world, any team in the world will feel it. So yeah, definitely without David is much more difficult. But at the end, I said for me, part is only if we play well or not. So today I can say that we play well. What was finishing? Start touch, last touch. We scored one goal. Their goalkeeper saved 2 or 3 really difficult goals. So this one I cannot complain. Everybody gives their best. There is difference between David, who will score 30 goals, but I said he must play well. Today he scored first goal. I believe he will also score lots of goals this season. Look, this is, you know, in the world, you have always some team that is a little bit boogie team, what they said. So because last year also we never beat Arema, and last year I think that Arema was not so strong like this year. I think that this year they are much better, but last year too, we drew 2 times versus them. So this is also big rivalry between these 2 teams. It's normal that it's always matches.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.